Frank Watkins, 28th of October. Good morning, Kylie.
Good morning, Frank, and good morning, everyone.
Okay, just a quick comment on the All Ords. There has been a bit of resistance right across this sort of level here. Backing off a bit today would not surprise me at all to see us come back and rest on this level here. That would be perfectly normal. Touch wood, the upward trend then continues. To our watch lists, starting at the start, nothing yet from 3MF. 8CO has done a bit, interestingly. Good big candle yesterday, and today has only pulled back to the half level of that candle. To my mind, still looking a little bit strong. IMM broke out, retraced today in line with almost everything else. Very low volume so far. If the volume stays low on today's move, I wouldn't be overly concerned, but if the volume increases, I would be worried about that one. Sorry, I'll just go back to that. It's a good case for getting your stops up to somewhere near break even. Just a comment there. K2P backing off again today with the market down a bit, and Rex hasn't broken yet. XST not doing much. Just bear in mind with that one, there's 3.22 billion out there. Okay, back to the higher low scan. Just very quickly, we've only got a dozen to look at. 8CO, that looks interesting. The thing I like about this is the gap. Clearly some very good news there. Pulled back a bit, couldn't fill the gap and rally. So that to me is a real sign of strength. I'm going to put 8CO into the higher low watch list. Moving right along, XGG, I'm going to ignore that at this stage. FHS, interesting, 1.67 billion out there, so that's all right. FHS, I think worth another look at, especially, it's gapped down today. I couldn't even see that, but especially on a break of 3, I'm going to put that in the list just out of interest's sake as much as anything. But this is what I talk about with volume. Yes, gap down, done nothing, but clearly only 1 or 2 sellers of 156,000 with only 4 grand being sold. So yeah, not taking a lot of notice of today's move. That's an option. IGO, we're looking for a break of that $10 level, and I'll throw that into the list. ITL, a little bit gappy recently, worth keeping an eye on, but it doesn't deserve to go into the watch list. ODA, too late yesterday, could argue, well, some might say a false breakout, but it is holding today. Again, only $36,000 gone into it, so we can't get too excited about too much today. SIX, only 213 million out there. Again, really strong move. Happy to cut the top off that wick. That is sheer FOMO. Rock solid on balance volume during the decline. Terrific volume yesterday. Nothing much today. I'm going to put
almost
that.
Looks like your pattern.
Yeah. I'm going to put that into the list. The thing is, I don't want the list to get too big. Tassel Group, it's broken, it's retraced, closed the gap, it's trying again. I won't add that to the list. WCNOE has come up, but need to go back one and look at WCN, the parent company, backed off a whisker today. Yeah, possibly a break of 1.5, and I'll throw that into the watch list. And that might be about, no, we have
That one was in your watch list already.
3.2, yeah, it's in the watch list. If the watch list gets too big for me, what I'll do is start culling stocks, and that would be one of the first to go, simply because of issued cap. Over to Kylie.
Okay, again, we'll just go back to my usual scan. 21 break upper close, increasing 4 days. I think that's all the same, hasn't changed. Okay. Wow, we've got a whopping 6 today. Right, this will be fairly quick. That's a big no, big gap down. LTR, again, this one just keeps coming up. It's amazing if you're on this, if you got that buy on the 22nd of October. At the moment, we're just still waiting for a buy signal if you're not in, so keep watching. This one is a no. Pilbara, again, keeps coming up, but it's got a bit of work to do. PLS has just got a lot of work to do. No, look, that's interesting, a massive volume today, but not increase, so that could have been transfer of stock or something prior market open. So not really any interested in that, and that's a no as well. Gee, that was short and sweet.
Okay, brings up a point. Neither of us have really found anything too exciting today. Under normal circumstances, would you now start scanning and trying to find something?
No, I'd get on with my day.
Yeah, yeah. Agree wholeheartedly. If it's not there in those two scans, well, why look any further? So, yeah, that's it from me, and that's it from her.
Have a great day. Go and enjoy your game of golf, Frank.
Will do.